Here, let's start facing the right. Overhand, side circles into overhand weave. Let's turn left to underhand weave. Turn right to pinwheel. Extension, and extension again, and extension again. Now we're going to turn left and come into an underhand giant. Now come into underhand weave. And now we're going to do an extension with the left, extension with the right, extension with the left, extension with the right, extension with the left, extension with the right, back to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, open it up, double stall between the legs, sweep up over the top, step forward with the right, sweep back, step forward with the right, up to counterclockwise pinwheel, and down to overhand weave on the left, and turn right to counterclockwise pinwheel, and turn right to underhand weave, turn left to counterclockwise pinwheel, and turn left again to overhand weave, turn right 180 degrees to underhand weave, step left, turn right to overhand weave. Now we'll go 360 to the left, your right foot's forward, turn left 180 to underhand weave, step, switch your feet, turn left back to overhand weave, turn right to counterclockwise pinwheel, and make it big 3 times. 1, and 2, and 3. And now turn left into overhand giant, and into overhand weave, and turn right to underhand weave, and open it up to underhand giant, and come into underhand weave again, and turn right to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, and turn left again to overhand weave. Open up your legs, open up the poi, stall your left poi between the leg, come into butterfly on the front, angel up to the top, and again, and again, and again. Take out right and tap, take out left and tap, take out right and tap, take out left and tap, take out right and tap, take out left and tap, and now right up and tap, left up and tap, take out right up and tap, left up and tap, right up, tap, left up, tap, right up, tap, left up, tap, angel again, and we're going to come down to butterfly, thread the needle, and come down to hip reel and overhand opposite, shifting your weight back and forth, and back to butterfly on the front, butterfly turn out to the left, so left take out, turn 180 to underhand butterfly, left take out, turn 180 to overhand butterfly, you're back where you started, right take out, turn 180 to underhand butterfly, right take out, turn 180 to overhand butterfly. Let's do that again. So left poi take out behind the back, turn your body 180, sweep your right hand underneath into underhand butterfly on the back side, left take out 180, come into overhand butterfly in the front, now go to the right, right take out, turn, left poi comes in underneath to underhand butterfly in the back, right take out, turn 180 back to the start, let's go a little faster, and left take out, turn 180 to underhand, left take out, turn 180 to overhand, right take out, turn 180 to underhand, right take out, turn back to overhand butterfly, thread the needle again, plane shift it up over your head, and we're going to take the right poi, come back, hit your butt, go into counterclockwise corkscrew, turning to the left, and twice around, come back to the front, make it together time now. Tap your butt, up and over the head, tap your butt and step, and up over the head, tap and step, 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 and last time with this, tap and step, and last time to the right. Now, this time we come up, tap, and turn as you come around, and go to the other side, and up, turn, and come down on the left. Up and turn, down on the right, up and turn, down on the left, up and turn, down on the right, up and turn, down on the left, up and turn, down on the right, and up and turn, down on the left. Now we're going to add a little jump with the turn, up, turn, and jump, and down, 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 up to the right, turn, jump, and down, and to the left, and last time right, and last time left, and now bring it up into clockwise corkscrew, turn to the right, come back to the front, plane shift it up, turn to the right to overhand weave, and go into giant, back to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, Open it up to giant. Back to underhand weave. And turn right to overhand weave. Open it up. Sweep back. Step right. Sweep over. Sweep over. Now immediately sweep back. We're turning right. Step left. Sweep over the top. Back to where you started. Overhand weave. Open it up. Open your legs. Stall the right between. Overhand butterfly. Right take outside. Left take outside. Right take out up. Left take out up. Angel up. And again. And now big behind the head. Repeat that combo. So right take out. Step. Left take out. Step. Right up. Step. Left up. Step. Angel up twice. And then giant to behind the head. We'll do that combo again. And right take out. Step. Left take out. Step. Right up. Step. Left up. Step. Angel up twice. And giant to behind the head. And fourth time with the combo. Right take out. Step. Left take out. Step. Right up and down. Left up and down. Angel twice. And giant and behind the head. Okay. Okay, this is a breakdown from the overhand weave, where you open it up, you open your legs, you stall, and you turn left. So let's just talk about the right hand. Wrap up your left poi, because we're doing the right stall here. It's over, under, home, over, under, home. Now, what I'm doing is I'm going from over to under, and you could just go home, because you end up in these side circles, and then you open your legs. So if I did it from here, right, over, over, under, home, over, under, home. Then you're going to come home, hold it there, spread your legs, and then stall between the leg. Then it's going to come up in underhand, and immediately you flip and turn to your left. So back view is like this. Overhand weave, open it up, open your leg, stall your right poi. Now you can come back to this side, but I think what I did in the demonstration was a little quicker, coming directly out of the stall. So my hand is under my leg, coming out of the stall. I bring it to the front as I rotate 90 degrees. Okay, so let's just practice that stall part. Your home, stall between the leg, come to the front as you turn 90 degrees. And then stall, let's do it again. So the right poi is on the right side of your body. You open your legs, stall between the leg, turn left, and come to the front into overhand butterfly. And stall, switch direction back where it was. And 5, 6, 7, 8, open leg, stall between the leg, turn left, come into overhand butterfly. Stall, reposition back to where it was. And 5, 6, open the legs, and stall between the leg, turn left to overhand butterfly. Okay, now if we do it from the weave, you're in your weave, open up your weave into same time. Now, here's where it may be tricky for people. When you're turning, I'll show you in a front view. When you're turning, my right poi is going to go under the leg. You either are going to have your right poi on top, which is what I'm doing right now, or you're going to have your right poi on bottom, which is what I'm doing right now. You have to know which you prefer. So if you do your butterfly right now, you can determine, oh, do I like right on top or do I like left on top? And then you want to aim your hand appropriately relative to the other hand. So if you like left on top, when you stall, you can lift your left poi up as you turn and bring your right poi in to get into it a little easier. If you like right on top, you can lower your left poi, and then as you come into it, raise your right arm up higher. Let me lead the sequence 4 times just from the open arms, and then we'll add the weave in. So here we are just in the side circles, legs are spread, and 5, 6, 7, 8, stall right, turn left, and aim the poi as you turn to go into the butterfly. Okay, now stall again, get back, reset, and 5, 6, legs spread, and stall between the leg, turn left, come into butterfly. And 5, 6, stalling, change direction, open leg, and stall between the leg, turn left, come into butterfly. And then we'll repeat it again, reset, and 5, 6, open legs, and stall between the leg, turn left, come into butterfly. Now let's do it from the weave. So you're in your overhand weave. The way I find it to be pretty smooth to get into that is focusing on the hand that's at the bottom, right? So I focus on pulling the hand that's on the bottom out first, and then I open it up, then open the legs, stall between the legs, turn left, come into butterfly. And stall, go back into your weave, And here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side circles, open the leg, stall between the leg, turn left to butterfly. And let's reset. Stall the right poi, come into overhand weave, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Open it up, open the leg, stall between the leg, turn left to overhand butterfly, and stall your right hand, come into overhand weave, and open it up, and stall between the leg, turn left to butterfly, stall right, come into overhand weave, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, stall between the leg, and come to the front. So let's face the left. Now, this one we're going to do with the left hand, so this one might be harder. Okay, so we're here in overhand circles on the side. We're going to stall between the leg, turn to the right to butterfly. Again, remember the orientation of your hands. So we're in the side circles, legs are open, 5, 6, 7, 8, stall between the leg, turn right to butterfly. And stall, let's get back to circles. And 5, 6, 7, 8, stall between the leg, turn right, come into butterfly. Stall, get back, reset, and back to side circles, leg spread, 5, 6, 7, 8, stall between the leg, turn right into butterfly. And we're going to stall again, here we go, and side circles, 5, 6, 7, 8, stall between the leg, turn right to overhand butterfly. So now, let's reset and try it from the weave. So you're in the weave, then you open it up, then you open the legs, stall between the legs, turn right to butterfly. Okay, so now we're going to stall, go back to overhand weave on the left side, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, open it up, open the legs, stall between the legs, turn right to butterfly. And let's reset, stall left, come into overhand weave on the left side, and 5, 6, 7, 8, open it up, open the legs, stall between the leg, turn right to overhand butterfly. And reset, stall your left hand, come into overhand weave, turning left, and 5, 6, 7, 8, open it up, open the leg, stall between the leg, turn right to overhand butterfly. And then last time, stall left, turn left to overhand weave. And 5, 6, 7, 8, open the circle, open the leg, stall between the leg, turn right to overhand butterfly.